10 benefits of drinking garlic water daily. What if I told you that you could cure and prevent many diseases using just 2 ingredients you already have at home? Can you guess what they are? This is one of nature's great secrets, discovered many centuries ago by humanity's greatest civilizations such as the Greeks, Egyptians, and Trojans. Garlic water is a true natural elixir capable of fighting infections and improving everyone's health. Garlic contains substances such as allicin, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are responsible for it being such a special food. Be sure to watch until the very end because you'll discover how garlic water can transform your health. 1. Helps with weight loss. The sulfur compounds present in garlic activate the enzymes responsible for the digestion process. This enhances the breakdown of food molecules ingested during meals and increases thermogenesis, which is the process by which the body produces heat, contributing to calorie loss. Therefore, drinking a glass of garlic water every morning speeds up the metabolism, which consequently helps the body burn fat more efficiently, contributing to a reduction in body weight. However, the power of garlic goes even further. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and drops that are responsible for the development of problems such as binge eating. By keeping glucose levels stable, garlic water helps control appetite and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. 2. Reduces blood pressure. Consuming garlic water on a daily basis is a habit that helps dilate blood vessels. This is a very important property for reducing and controlling blood pressure. This is due to allicin, which is the main active compound in garlic. Allicin increases the production of nitric acid, an essential substance for the proper functioning of the circulatory system, which acts by promoting the dilation of blood vessels. Several studies have shown that including garlic in the diet significantly reduces blood pressure in people with hypertension. Garlic also plays an important role in reducing and controlling cholesterol and triglyceride levels, promoting the proper functioning of the entire cardiovascular system. 3. Improves skin health. Garlic is very rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping to keep the skin healthy and slow down aging. Allicin is an excellent ally in protecting skin cells from oxidative damage caused by pollution, UV radiation, and other environmental aggressions. Another aspect of garlic that is also very beneficial for the skin is its power to fight bacteria that cause infections such as acne and dermatitis. To take advantage of this property, as well as drinking garlic water in the morning, you can also apply a thin layer of garlic to your skin. This can help reduce inflammation and get rid of harmful bacteria on the skin surface. Let's not forget that garlic also promotes blood circulation, and this ensures that the skin receives all the nutrients it needs to stay healthy, firm, and hydrated. Did you know that the skin is the largest organ in our body? It's super important to take good care of it so it can do its job, like protecting us and keeping our body temperature in check. 4. Improves brain function. Let's talk about cognitive functions. Do you know what they are? This is the term scientists use to refer to a large set of abilities that we use in our daily lives, all of which are controlled by the brain. For example, communication, comprehension, balance, memory, etc. Garlic improves these functions and also protects the brain against neurodegenerative diseases. Compounds such as S-allylcysteine present in garlic have neuroprotective effects, helping to prevent diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, factors that contribute to cognitive decline. In addition, garlic improves blood circulation, ensuring that the brain receives an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients essential for its functioning. Some studies have proven that the habit of consuming garlic improves the ability to memorize and learn and significantly reduces the risk of developing some mental disorders such as depression and anxiety, which affect hundreds of millions of people around the world. 5. Acts as an expectorant. Drinking garlic water daily relieves the symptoms of colds and flu, such as nasal congestion, sneezing, and difficulty breathing. This is because garlic is considered a natural expectorant, widely used to clear the airways. The sulfur compounds present in garlic are antibacterial and antiviral, helping to fight the infections that cause these symptoms. Garlic water also helps to reduce the discomfort caused by throat irritation and inflammation of the respiratory tract, giving us more energy to carry out our day-to-day tasks such as work and study, without suffering so much from these symptoms when we have a cold or flu. Did you already know that garlic was a superfood? Let us know in the comments before we move on to the next benefit. 6. Has anti-inflammatory properties. You know, there are tons of anti-inflammatory diets out there online, and every single one of them, without fail, highlights garlic as a key ingredient. This couldn't be different because garlic is what we call a superfood, precisely because of its anti-inflammatory properties. People who suffer from chronic conditions such as arthritis, where inflammation in the joints causes pain and stiffness, should include the use of garlic in their diets. Drinking garlic water regularly can help reduce the intensity of symptoms and improve quality of life. Another relevant factor about garlic's anti-inflammatory action is that it prevents the onset of cardiovascular diseases and some types of cancer. 7. It has antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Microbes, fungi, and viruses pose a major threat to our health and can compromise our well-being with their unexpected attacks. To prevent this from happening, we must always reinforce our immune system, and garlic is a great partner for our defenses. Allicin has powerful antimicrobial properties which help fight a wide range of pathogens. Garlic is effective against bacteria such as Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella, as well as fungi such as Candida albicans and viruses such as the flu virus. This means that drinking garlic water prevents infections and substantially improves our immune response against threats. In addition, garlic also plays an active role in maintaining the balance of intestinal flora, combating the proliferation of microbes that are harmful to digestive function, which is so essential for our absorption of vitamins and minerals. 8. Improves digestion. The enzymes present in garlic help the stomach to break down food more effectively because they stimulate the production of gastric juice, facilitating digestion and preventing digestive problems. When food molecules begin to be broken down in the stomach more efficiently, the entire digestive process is completed, avoiding discomfort and inflammation that causes gas and abdominal bloating. 9. Detoxifies the body. Garlic has detoxifying properties. Its consumption is important for eliminating toxins and purifying the blood. The liver's job is to get rid of all the bad stuff in our bodies, and allicin helps by boosting the liver enzymes needed for detoxing. These enzymes help neutralize and eliminate simpler substances and even heavy metals such as mercury and lead, which can cause us serious problems when their levels exceed the normal range. 10. Increases longevity. Who among us doesn't wish to live a long and healthy life? If you're seeking good health, you surely want to enjoy many more years ahead. The combination of all the properties of garlic contributes to a longer and healthier life. It is a unique combination of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and cardioprotective properties that help prevent a wide range of chronic and degenerative diseases, which kill millions of people prematurely every year. By reducing the risk of heart disease, infection, and inflammation, garlic helps to increase life expectancy by promoting the general health of the body. In addition, premature aging is caused by free radicals, which are combated by the antioxidant effects of garlic. So if you want to live longer and have a better quality of life, include garlic in your diet. But do you know how to prepare garlic water? It's very simple and easy. Just follow these instructions. Mash or finely chop a clove of garlic and leave it to stand for about 10 minutes. This time is necessary for the allicin to turn into allicin, the substance responsible for garlic's benefits. Add the garlic to a glass of water and let it stand for a few hours or overnight. This allows the active compounds to dissolve in the water. The preparation can be done the day before without any problems. It's a practical way of ensuring that you always have your garlic water ready to drink. To improve the taste of the recipe, rosemary, lemon, and ginger are great options as they are natural and have health benefits that can be combined with garlic water. Rosemary is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and helps with bowel function. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, is also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, as well as being important for our immune system and helping with iron absorption, while ginger can help treat colds and fight infections. To enjoy the benefits of this simple recipe even more, the drink should be taken on an empty stomach to hydrate the body as soon as you wake up. When it comes to the temperature of the drink, it's best to enjoy it chilled. Heating garlic can cause it to lose some of its beneficial properties, so it's important to consume it raw. As far as risks and side effects are concerned, they are very low. Garlic is generally very well tolerated by the body. Some people may experience side effects such as bad breath, gastrointestinal discomfort, or allergic reactions. It's important to start with small amounts and increase gradually, observing how your body reacts. In addition, individuals with blood clotting problems or those who are on blood-thinning medication should consult a doctor before starting regular consumption of garlic water. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have something to add, please share it with us in the comments section. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with your family and best friends. By doing so, more people can learn about the incredible benefits of garlic water. To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that you'll surely find interesting. Together, we can transform our health one sip at a time. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.